Hey everybody, it's Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com. Now, this is a very important question. We get this a lot. Should I go to Disney World while I'm pregnant? Well, not me per se. I've been to Disney World when I was pregnant, had a blast. But for those of you that actually can get pregnant, it's a very important question. There's a lot of things to take into consideration if you're planning to visit a theme park while pregnant. How far am I along? What activities am I still able to do if I go? What should I bring or prioritize during my trip? So we're here to help you break that down for you. So first, let's break down the different trimesters that you want to consider. First trimester. While most of you would assume that the first trimester would be the best time to head to a theme park, that might not always be the case. Of course, every pregnancy is different. However, one of the first signs of pregnancy is fatigue. I mean, we've all experienced fatigue while just going to the theme park, and we're not even pregnant. So really, take a look at that. This means, if you're still itching to get some Disney time in, you might want to plan accordingly. Walt Disney World Resort has plenty of on-site resorts and partnered hotels that are close to the parks and will allow you to head back to the room if you need some extra rest during the trip. That's a brilliant plan anyway. As most feel more tired than usual during the first trimester, consider staying at one of these locations so you can return to your room for a nap or rest each afternoon. If you end up staying at an on-site resort, try to take advantage of the Disney's Extra Magic Hours program. This allows you to get to the parks early before regular guests arrive. Just remember to listen to your body and take rests as needed. Now, if morning sickness is an issue, try bringing some crackers or light snacks to the parks. Maybe considering having breakfast later in the morning. It's important to note that while there's plenty of attractions that are available for those that are pregnant to ride on, try to avoid simulator rides at the start of the day, as this may cause or worsen morning sickness. You'll enjoy your Disney trip a lot more if you pay attention to your body's signals and don't try to pack too much into a single day. Second trimester. As for the second trimester, it may actually be the best time to consider visiting Walt Disney World. I'll tell you why. By the second trimester, most, if not all, of the initial tiredness and morning sickness from the first trimester, they're gone. It's great celebration time. In fact, most claim to have an increased level of energy during the second trimester. This alone would make attending Disney just a bit easier. You'll also start to notice an increase in appetite. One of the best ways to help combat this during your trip to Disney is to invest in their dining plan. This allows guests to dine, drink, non-alcoholic of course, and snack throughout the day. The dining plans cover these expenses so you won't have to worry about breaking the wallet while trying to satisfy those cravings. Another way to satisfy cravings is a visit to Epcot's World Showcase. Here you can find just about any type of cuisine you're interested in. Pick up teriyaki chicken in Japan and combine it with funnel cake from America if you're in the mood. I'm always in the mood for that. Look at this. I'm like in the 8th trimester. Look at that gut. Combination possibilities are endless. Let's talk about the third trimester. The third trimester of pregnancy may be the worst trimester if you're wanting to attend the parks. As previously mentioned, that feeling of fatigue comes back. You might experience some insomnia, swelling, body aches, and pains. If this doesn't deter you from wanting to travel and experience the parks, let's go over things you might want to consider doing when going to Walt Disney Resort. First things first. With this being the third trimester, you want to make sure you have a doctor's appointment. Schedule an appointment with your primary doctor and get an all clear for travel before leaving home. Some airlines require doctor's notes for travel in the later half of the trimester. While you may not be asked to provide this information, it's important to have it on hand just in case you need it. Another thing to consider when visiting the parks during this time is how long you might end up waiting in lines. This means how long you're going to be on your feet. To help with this, we suggest purchasing Genie Plus. Genie Plus gives guests the option of Lightning Lane, which essentially works as a fast pass system. Guests can select one attraction at a time out of the ones available, giving them the option to skip the regular queue line. Genie Plus also has the option to purchase Lightning Lane for specific rides individually. Both of these options will save you time on your feet, a necessity for those in their third trimester, if we do say so ourselves. All right, here's some general health and good ideas. Always check with your doctor before your trip, regardless of what trimester you may be in. Scheduling a checkup just before your departure date can help ease your mind about your health and your vacation. It might also help to bring along a copy of your medical records just in case. Now, let's cover the things to do at Disney while pregnant. Every ride in Walt Disney World Resort has an advisory guide. These are very important, and these let you know whether those that are pregnant should ride or not. Here's a list of pregnancy-friendly Disney rides and shows. For the Magic Kingdom, their rides are Astro Orbiter, Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, Dumbo the Flying Elephant, Haunted Mansion, It's a Small World, Jungle Cruise, Mad Tea Party, The Magic Carpets of Aladdin, The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, Peter Pan's Flight, Pirates of the Caribbean, Prince Charming Regal Carousel, Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover, Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid, and Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. And for shows, they have the Country Bear Jamboree, Hall of Presidents, Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, Tom Sawyer Island, and the Enchanted Tiki Room. Now, let's jump over to Animal Kingdom. Their rides are It's Tough to Be a Bug, Maharaja's Jungle Trek, Navi River Journey, Triceratops Spin, and Wildlife Express Train. And for shows, they have Affection Selection, Disney Animals, Animal Experience at Conservation Station, Discovery Island Trails, and Wilderness Explorers. Let's go to Epcot. Their rides are Frozen Ever After, Journey into Imagination with Figment, Living with the Land, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, and Soarin' Around the World. And for shows, they have The American Adventure, Awesome Planet, Beauty and the Beast Sing-Along, Bijutsukan Gallery, Canada Far and Wide and Circle Vision 360, Seabase, The Seas with Nemo and Friends, and Turtle Talk with Crush. And finally, for Hollywood Studios, their rides are Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, Toy Story Mania, and for the shows they have Muppet Vision 3D, and Vacation Fun, an original animated short with Mickey and Minnie, and guess what? Guess who's back? Back again. The Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. That's pregnancy friendly as well. Just know that these will require a lot of standing, so be sure to rest accordingly. If you're looking to do more than just rides or shows, there's plenty of opportunities for characters meet and greets across the parks. All right, so for dads, you may be wondering, what can I do at Disney parks? Well, make sure that your partner's taken care of. Listen to her body and make sure that she's okay. If she's tired, take a break. At the end of the day, when you get back to your resort, foot massage, calf massage. That will get you so many brownie points. Speaking of brownie points, have brownies readily available. Come on, you're in this too. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. And as always, make sure you click like and subscribe and notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you have a great vacation. Bye-bye.